All right, so I had to do a part 2 because I accidentally sent the video away from out in the greenhouse. But hey, I got my 72. And as I promised, I'm going to do a salad bowl and arugula. I currently use Bay City seed. No, I'm sorry, Main Street seed out of Bay City, Michigan. They're the ones that send me my bulk seeds every season. I am excited this year, though. I'm going to start using another company as a secondary that is out of Utah, especially for the microgreens. We ordered quite a bit yesterday. So let's plant some seeds. My beautiful bride bought me these so I can grab them wee little seeds. But first, all I want to do is just poke in the dirt. I know there's fancy tools for this, but I don't want them. Kind of enjoy just sitting here at the table and adding seeds. I think it's fun. All right. Well, what do we got in front of us? We have arugula. So what I end up doing is just making sure I have a clean spot on the table. I just put a small handful of them down. Because as you guys know, arugula seed is tiny. In fact, see if I can get that into the, where is the camera? You see that wee little thingy? Arugula. So I put one seed in each cell, and usually get about a 90% germination with Main Street seeds stuff. That's pretty impressive. So a few of these cells won't pop, and that's fine. But hey, if I can get about 60 of these, I'm really happy. And for me, I'll harvest them twice, and then I'll roll them out and get a whoops, that one there didn't come off. Still didn't come off. Quit it. And I'll get a fresh batch of arugula planted. But I always try to, did I get that one? I don't remember if I got that one right here or not. My goodness. There we go. So I got the first row done. So again, all I did was just kind of use my fingers and push the soil in. But I got the first row and some arugula done. And then, of course, I'll do this other tray. Ooh, some iced tea. I don't drink coffee, so iced tea for me. No sugar. But if you ever want to get a discount on your product, I love cheesecake. Bring a cheesecake, get a discount. Cupcake Farms, Texas City. Officially official. You guys keep following us. And I'm going to keep you updated. And of course, tomorrow is Saturday, December the 10th. I'm sorry, January the 10th. So we'll do an update as we've been doing for the last 3 Saturdays out in the greenhouse to give you more of an idea of what's popping, how things are moving. Hopefully here in the next week or so we'll get our normal temperatures back, and we'll be able to start putting some of these greens out there in them pretty new flower beds we created just for them, because there's a demand right now for that, and I feel as blessed as can be. So I'll keep specifying this. You restaurant owners out there here in local Texas City, Lamarck, Hitchcock, Webster, League City, especially you private owned ones that aren't required by franchise rules to use particular people, consider me. Reach out here. Send me an email or a message on one of my videos. I'd love to give you some samples of our greens, tomatoes, okra, cucumbers, whatever it is you need, mostly for your restaurant. Carrots, beets. Oh, I love growing beets. I had beets last night actually with my mac and cheese. So Mom calls it a autopsy, but Dad and I, oh baby, give us a jar of pickled beets and some mac and cheese and just leave us alone. Well, I'm going to get back and finish these. I won't bore you guys. And we'll catch up with you tomorrow as we do our weekly update to the 20.